Yo, what up everybody? Roman wasn't built in a day here. Just wanted to spit, let me show you guys a little trick. Throw the wallet under there. Today is Monday, January 6th. It's 9 a.m. I'm in Monrovia, I believe. So hopped in my girl's ride on her way to work so she could take the carpool and I could get out of my area and just, like, you know, get a little creative, maybe make some videos, do some editing. I'm about to hit the coffee bean right now. But I just wanted to give a little update to you guys and to myself. You know, I am in like a really tough place right now where I'm working my ass off for like very little. In a way, you know, I mean, I get paid decently for music videos, but I'm trying to do more commercials, man. I'm trying to really hone in my skills in the commercial space. You know, one big thing that I'm doing with that is Pago, but with Pago, I get paid just like a couple bucks per new customer, you know what I'm saying? And it's very, like, we only have 2 vans right now and 3 groomers. There's not a lot of customers coming in at the moment. I'm working with a really small ad budget, but a big reason why I haven't been posting enough on Pago is because of like my own insecurity. I've been dealing with a lot of just like personal internal issues, you know, communicating with my girlfriend as well on what we're gonna do with our future. We came from like having our own place and living together in Arizona for 5 years to both of us moving back in with my parents. I moved in with my parents, she's moved in with her grandparents, and it's just like really tough because the rent is so expensive here in LA, and I have so much work to do, but I have no money. I have no monthly clients coming in. So what I really want to do you know, over these next few weeks is build up my clientele here in the LA area, specifically in the commercial space. And something, if you guys don't know, that I used to do, I used to sell door to door. I moved up in the ranks really quick, became a regional manager. I built up a team and my ego got to me and I stopped knocking doors. I'm like, I'm not gonna knock any doors, I'm too good for this, whatever. I got a whole team working for me. And since my lack of leadership, I lost my entire team. So that's kind of a whole side story I'll get into another time. But my point is cold calling, cold knocking, cold emailing. At the top, the best thing is cold knocking, like just face to face, is super important. So I'm gonna bring you guys along. This is actually how I got started, like posting personal branded content. Is I used to live stream myself going door to door selling stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and bring the camera along with me. I'm gonna get some work done at this coffee bean, and then we are going to embark on this journey together, you feel me? Like I said, I'm in a really tough spot right now, but I'm keeping my attitude as high as it can be. Positivity, optimism is your best friend and is necessary for success. So let's get this day started.
I was starving, now I'm eating till my belly.
Hi.
Hey, how's it going?
Good, how you doing?
Good. This is a cool little nook you have here.
Thanks.
I was just wondering if you guys were interested in doing like any photo or video work.
No, we're not, but you can leave a card or something if you'd like. Do you have one?
I have it's kind of a card, it's a sticker. It's my face and my Instagram.
Okay.
Yeah, so I haven't done like a nice fashion like this. I've kind of done like t-shirt stuff. But I'd love to do something for free for you guys if that's something you're interested in, just to kind of...
But the person who would make that decision isn't here,
okay.
But I can give this to him and let him know.
Okay, thanks.
Where do you use it? Where do you use the pictures and the stuff?
Usually website or Facebook.
Okay, so you just kind of...
He creates a video and then you give the video to us, right?
Yeah, so I just do like photos and videos.
For marketing purposes?
Yeah, for marketing, social media.
Yeah. Okay.
So, yeah, I also like do the like actual posting as well sometimes, but a lot of times people just already have someone doing that, so
right. Yeah,
I just make the content.
all right, good.
Yeah.
Well, thank you, and I will give this to him for sure.
Yeah,
thanks.
Have a good one.
Okay, you too.
How's it going? Good. I was wondering if you guys needed any like photo or video work done.
We kind of do a lot of our stuff, but I appreciate it.
Okay, you mind if I take some around anyways? You just have a really pretty place.
Oh, sure.
Like for my own personal.
Okay, sure.
Thanks.
From up north, we get cold, you need a heavy coat. Scared to end up on the shirt before it's centerfold. Devil on my back, target on me daily too. Play for keeps, don't tweet. It's not peace, don't speak.
We're just breaking the ice. I'm not gonna lie, I just sat in my car for like a good while, mustering up the courage to do that. But everyone's pretty cool, man, which is what you'll find. Like with anything, repetition makes it easier. Good, how are you?
Good, thank you.
Good. I was wondering if you knew if like anyone who works here would be interested in like some photo or video services for like their Facebook or website or anything like that.
I'm not sure. We do already have someone who does that for us.
Okay.
The owner's cousin.
Gotcha.
So I'm not sure if
Okay.
anyone else would want something on the site or not.
No worries. That's cool. Nice shop. How many people usually have working in here on a weekend? Or?
13.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Okay. Cool. Well, maybe I'll check back in. Thanks.
Don't speak. 24, no sleep. This is real, no tweet. My bros for life. Can't break this link. Family on my side. Baby, stay around me.
If you guys were interested in any like photo or video work, for like the website or Instagram.
We have an art director dude who does all that.
Okay, cool.
So yeah,
Probably not.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Cool. Thanks, man.
Have a good one.
Yeah, you too. Oh, you don't work here? Oh, I'm sorry. Hi, how's it going? Roman, I was just wondering if you knew if you guys had any need for any photo or video services.
No.
Okay. Thanks. Okay, it was kind of lame. I only went into like maybe 7 or 8 businesses, but people were cool. Most people I talked to didn't know, like they were just like employees at the bottom of the food chain who didn't really know who I should talk to or whether that's even possible or how to make that decision. So I definitely need to get better at just building rapport and getting them to bring me to the decision maker. Definitely gonna do that. But I think something that might be fun and get me out a little even more out of my comfort zone is let's go try knocking door to door on houses and see if we can find any photo or video work going door to door. So this is something I've never done before, but I've always thought about doing it. Yeah, let's do it. Let's go door to door and in residential and try to find some photography work. You think I can do it? Let's see.
I don't want no combo, I want checks. I don't want the second, I want this.
Hi.
Hey, how's it going?
Good.
Sorry to bother you. I'm a local photographer, videographer. I was wondering if you may happen to know anyone who would be in need of those services.
Not at this time. You have a card?
Sure. It's just my Instagram,
Okay.
my face.
All right, no problem.
Yeah,
What's
have a
your
good
name?
one. Roman. Well,
Roman?
Yeah.
Step there.
Sorry.
My name's Tom. I'll pass it around.
Thanks, Tom.
Sure.
Have a good one.
All right.
Really nice guy to help me break the ice. This house doesn't have any cars in the driveway, so I'm not even gonna hit that one. What's that? A little workout into. See, I was really nervous, but all it really takes is one cool person, you know? Actually, really nostalgic for me, minus the 120-degree summer Phoenix weather, but it gets pretty hot in LA too. Hey, sorry to bother you.
It's okay, we got a sick family in here, so is there something I can help you with?
Just a local photographer, videographer. I was wondering if you may know anyone who might be interested in those services.
For
photos and videos.
Oh, no.
Okay.
I don't, sorry.
No worries. I hope you guys feel better.
Thank you.
I was kind of weirded out by the question, like it didn't even register. Like no one's ever had someone trying to sell door-to-door photo video services. He's like, what? Photography and videography? What is that? Cute ducks. You ever like take them in for groomings or? You know?
Oh yeah, they're due now.
Nice, nice.
They're pretty scruffy.
I do like photos and videos for a mobile grooming company. I don't know if that's something you would be interested in. Yeah, so they come in like vans and they groom. They can groom together at the same time if they like that and stuff like that.
I take them to, but
oh yeah,
that might be good.
Yeah, it's pagola.com.
Okay.
So.
All right, thanks.
Yeah. Hey, sorry to bother you. Bedtime? I'm just a local photographer. Wondering if you know anybody who's in search of video or photo services.
Not today.
Yeah, have a good one. That guy said not today, so maybe I'll come back tomorrow. So the thing is, people don't really listen. How do you get people to listen? I guess by saying, hi, how are you? Hey, sorry to bother you. A lot of them in there.
Yeah, our friends are out on vacation, so we're watching dogs and stuff.
Okay, cool. Well, my name's Roman. I was just wondering if you knew anyone who like needs any photo or video services.
Oh,
skateboard friends or.
Yeah, I actually don't know any right now, but yeah.
No worries, bro. Let me give you a.
Yeah, you have a card. Or...
I got a sticker, man.
Okay, cool.
You're not obligated to not throw it away, but that's me, bro.
Okay, sounds good. Cool.
Yeah.
You just do like.
I do mostly music videos, commercials. Really like anything, to be honest. That's why I'm like knocking on doors right now. You know?
Or like a freelance work? Or?
Yeah, freelance.
Okay. You know, I think I know a friend. I can send this to him.
Yeah, for sure, man.
Cool, thank you.
Yeah, have a good one.
You too.
Thanks. Everybody's first reaction is just to say no, not at this time. But like, that dog was cute. But like, then people really realize what's going on, and they're like, oh wait, you know what? I do know somebody. Hey, sorry to bother you, man.
Sorry.
My name's Roman. I'm just a local photographer, videographer. I was wondering if you maybe know anybody who might be interested in some photos, like graduation photos, engagement, stuff like that. Anything, really.
I have no idea. I wish I knew. I'm sorry, man.
No worries, bro. Here, let me give you one of my stickers just so you know my name, my face. That's my Instagram right there.
Alright.
Just if it comes up in conversation, you know, somebody
Yeah, I'll give it to someone.
might be looking for some headshots or something, you know.
Okay, awesome.
Thank you for opening the door.
Yeah, no problem.
Have a good one.
You too.
Tumbleweed. That shit is big. It's big. Damn, I did it again. Yo. I'm definitely going to keep doing that, and I'll bring you guys with me. Just because I know that it works. I've experienced that it works. And I think that the experience is invaluable. Just learning how to like be able to turn a simple conversation, literally nothing, into a conversation with which then can turn into relationships. Maybe they know someone who knows someone who knows someone who ends up like hiring you onto a movie or something. Like, you don't know who people know. You know what I'm saying? You never know what these conversations are going to come out of. And as long as you're coming into the conversation genuine, I genuinely want to bring people value. I'm not trying to take money out of people's pockets, rip them off, do anything like that. I really just want to give value, and I want to build relationships. So that's what I'm doing from the grassroots, most guerrilla marketing way that I know how, because that's the point I'm at right now, that I just had to get up and go knock doors, and I'm gonna keep doing it. So appreciate y'all, and I hope you got something out of this, man. Drop a comment, hit me on YouTube, hit me on Instagram. Roman wasn't built in a day. I will always respond to you on there, man. Stay creative. Peace. Just watched one of my door knocks. I really need to just like let people in and know more about who I am and what I do, you know what I'm saying? Get in here. The thing about business or mastering literally anything is understanding the fundamentals of getting back to the basics. And for me, knocking on doors and doing lead generation face-to-face, nitty-gritty, really helps me get centered and understand the entire process of marketing and sales. Yo, right when I finally get things to turn around for me, my desk chair got caught in these wires, and